Hi, and welcome to this quick video on invalid traffic. Now, if you are a content creator on YouTube and looking to grow your channel, at some juncture you may possibly get your channel actually flagged. Now, whether it's a copyright flag or other situations, as in case of invalid traffic, bear in mind that you will get an email notification. And that, unfortunately, is exactly what happened to our channel. So we actually wanted to create this quick little video notifying other individuals of exactly what's going on in the world of YouTube in 2024. You know, as YouTube continues to grow, they improve their functionality in trying to detect what they deem as to be artificial traffic. In the world of bots and artificial intelligence nowadays, unfortunately, they did have to take measures to do that. But in doing that, unfortunately, there are a lot of channels out there being flagged and even removed because of the infamous invalid traffic. Now, if you do get flagged for invalid traffic, you are actually going to get an email notification from YouTube. Now, we got an email notification from YouTube after we made a good faith effort to take our videos and actually embed them into external sites. We did this with the intent to actually grow traffic to our channel. And in doing so, our channel ended up getting flagged. So when we reached out to technical support, I will say this about technical support in the world of 2024. The reality is that they're not really going to care. They have bot answers that they will go ahead and reply. Their technical support will say, no problem, let me look into it. I'll get back to you in 3 to 5 minutes. And then the reply, as far as the resolution, is really nothing more than them regurgitating the definition of what they mean by invalid traffic. Now, at the end of the day, if you are seriously thinking of making money on YouTube, I highly recommend that you reconsider embedding your links on external sites and be mindful of where those sites are. Even if you actually take a video and allow it to be embedded by other individuals, also be mindful that you are putting yourself at risk of getting falsely accused of invalid traffic. And when it comes to invalid traffic, unfortunately, YouTube has a policy that they will go ahead and halt the monetization on your channel, as is in the case of our channel. They actually halted all monetizations on our channel, irrespective of whether or not we were getting views, irrespective if people were subscribing to our channel. At the end of the day, YouTube simply does not care. They will go ahead and halt the monetization. They took it a step further to even keep the money earned on the channel. Now, we have a monetization account sitting there in AdSense with a dollar figure. And in YouTube's world, are they legally responsible to actually give us the money that we've earned? Absolutely yes. Will they? No. Are they? No. Again, you know, when it comes to YouTube, YouTube simply does not care. They don't care if your channel's flagged. They don't care if your channel's removed. They don't care if in reality you are innocently accused of invalid traffic. And at the end of the day, if you are on YouTube and you've made a good faith effort to reach out to their technical support, often more than not, their technical support doesn't care, and more than not, you're going to get a bot-like answer just simply defining what that error code is. So again, we wanted to do this quick video out there for those interested in growing their actual channel, but more importantly, helping others be aware of the fact that YouTube is in fact innocently flagging channels for invalid traffic. And more importantly, at the end of the day, if you are innocently flagged for invalid traffic, they are not only stopping the monetization on your channel, but at the end of the day are not doing anything to remedy cases in which you were falsely accused of invalid traffic. So again, hopefully this quick video will help someone else out if in fact their channel has been flagged for invalid traffic, in understanding at the end of the day that they are not the only ones. We look forward to seeing you into the next video.